Another explosion rocks occupied Crimea overnight. At night in Taman, Russia, a fuel storage tank caught fire, allegedly as a result of a Ukrainian drone attack. Taman is located in the Kerch Strait, which connects Russian mainland and occupied Crimea. And after the attack in Sevastopol, the skies near the Crimean Peninsula are filled with smoke once again. This is how it looks from far. It looks like freedom is knocking on the doors of Russian-occupied Crimea. And Ukrainians in Bakhmut actively replenish the prisoners' exchange fund. Russian media publish a video of more freight wagons being derailed and overturned as a result of an explosion, allegedly. This is a second attack on Russian trains in just a couple of days. It looks like Russian logistic is targeted. Ukrainian UR-77 Meteorite firing a charge on Russian positions. It's a mine-cleaning weapon, but it can have another use. A Ukrainian M109A3 GN howitzer pulling another out of the mud under a counter-loitering munition screen. Barbaric Russian bombardment, but Bakhmut holds. A small episode from the life of a combat medic on the front line.
Как его, сука, поднять? Давай, давай, за руки сюда. Сука, блядь! Давай еще! Еще! Подними ногу! Подними, сука, хоть что-то сделай для своей жизни! Подними ногу, блядь! Сука, лентяи, блядь!
In the Krasnodar territory, Russia showed a secret weapon that can conquer NATO. A drunken man welded a motor from a scooter and a wheel to the bathroom and drove around the area to the first post. The main thing is that he did not forget to hang the St. George ribbon. And if there were icons on the mixer, then the traffic cops would not have stopped him. Hold on, Western countries, you didn't expect this.
Глушим. Как она едет? Хорошо? Плохо ей.
Плохо.
Денег идет.
Она плохо ей.
And we love this stories. This dog sees his friend for the first time in 5 months.
Корреспонденция этой Керчь.ру находится на вершине горы Митридат, сейчас начало 7-го. Вот такая картина разворачивается перед нашим взором. В поселке Волна, на той стороне Керченского пролива, пожар, горит нефтебаза, пожар самого высокого уровня. Сейчас все силы брошены на его тушение.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.